Hey, in front of me is XIAOMI 11T, and today I would like to show you how you can enable or disable location of this smartphone. Firstly, go into Tab menu. Now you need to look for location icon and tap on it. Then choose Close. As you can see, location is now off. If you wish to turn it on, click at the same icon. But you can also go into Settings, scroll down, select location over here, and click on the switcher next to location access to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!